Welcome back to Max Ninjas.
Hi kids, in the previous class we were dealing with exercise 2.2 and section 1. That section was over. Now in this class we are doing section 2. So here we have to find the product by suitable arrangement. So by seeing the problem itself we can say that this comes in associative property under, what is the sign here? Under multiplication. Okay, how can we associate this? See, take the first ones place first. Now you can see that 2, 8 and 0 are in ones place. So we should take 2 into 50 first. That should be in a bracket, and then 1768. That is equal to 2 into 50, 100 into 1768. So the answer will be 1768, and 2 zeros are there in 100. So you should put 2 zeros here. Okay. Here, coming here, you can see that 4, 6 and 5 are coming in ones place. So you can easily join 4 and 25. So 4 into 25 into 166. So 4 into 25, again it is coming as 100 into 166. So answer will be 166 0 0. So this is our answer. Coming back to this problem, 8, 1 and 5 are in ones place. So joining 8 and 5, you will be getting 0 in ones place. So 8 into 125 into 291. 8 into 125 will be 1000. 1000 into 291. So very easily you can multiply this. 291. Just put 291, and how many zeros in 1000? 3 zeros. So just put 3 zeros here. Here you can see that 625 into 279 into 16. So 5, 9 and 6 are in ones place. So 625, 5 into 6 will be giving 0 in its ones place. So 625 into 16 into 279. 625 into 16 will be giving 10,000. 10,000 into 279. I told you we are using all these properties just to make our calculation very easy. 279, and how many zeros we should add? 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our answer. Coming back to this problem, 285. See, 5, 5 and 0 are in ones place. So I am going to associate 5 and 60 first. Here I can write down 285 into 5 into 6, 30 and 1 0. So just multiply 285 into 3 first and then put 2 more zeros. 285 into 3, 8, 55, and then 2 more zeros. So again our calculation became too easy. For the next problem, 125, 4 numbers are there. So by seeing these 2 numbers, we can see that this will be giving you the answer 1000. So 125 into 8 After doing many problems, you will be getting the easiest way to do. 40 into 25. This is 1000. Then again 40 into 25 again will be giving you answer 1000. So the final answer is, how many zeros? 3. Then again 3. Okay, this is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed my class. If you like my class, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Thank you once again. Signing off, Femi Bijoy.